Hello, welcome to my presentation, and I want to demonstrate to you how the app works. And just give it time to run, and then you'll see it. So yeah, this is the app. This is the app, and as you can see, we have our clients, contacts, and service request options over there. And then here we have our clients. You can go into clients, and you can enter their name, context, details, and region. We can even say, we can create a client, let's say BMW, contact details, BMW, let's just say admin at BMW. Okay. Then region, you can say it's North create, and then let's see the video. Yeah, here it is created. And then let's go back to home. Let's go back to home, and then on home we can create and manage contracts, and also we can filter contracts. Let me say we only want the ones that are from January 2026. Let's apply filter. Let's say 31. And then here they are, the ones from January. The start date is filtered. And then you can also go to this one and create a contract. Let's say create a contract for BMW, no? Start date 2026. Let's say start date of 2024, 01/31, and then end date of 2025, 01/01, and then it's expired, level expedited. Then choose our own contract, and then we can choose create, and then here's our contract, and it's expired and expedited. Then you can view PDF, and then we will download it, go back, and then check the service request. We can create the service requests. As you can see here, we have the contract description, costing USD, customers are, and status. Create, you can create our contract description, let's say car shipment, we want it to 5x3 to 5 BMW X3s. For costing in USD, let's say it's around how much, 2 million, yeah, 200,000, $200,000, let's try it. Oh, it's expired. Yeah, service request can't be made for contracts that are expired, so let's try something else. Let's switch to translate. Let's say chain parts. Chain parts. Plus we do. What's the expired? Okay. Oh, translate. Yeah, chain parts. The contract is on. Oh, there it is created. Yeah. So I don't know what the creating is for. And then translate. Chain parts we use. So yeah, here it is, and yeah, you can even edit it, change the spaces and all that.